Join TWR in 2023. TWR Wednesday SITREP.
I'm on it. Hey, you know I'm on that though, man. Y'all, come join it. In the traders war room, warring with the market every day. We on Zoom. Never gonna quit. Ain't no way we gonna lose.
TWR is your one-stop shop. How'd TWR do today? We took profits on our Nike put swing trade, $44 per contract. We also closed out of our SPY put. It expired today. We ended up killing that one, $226 per contract. Our aggressive average down on coin paid off. We went ahead and secured at $13 per contract, left a few runners for some continuation in hopes of coming out at the bell tomorrow during volatility. We also went ahead and closed out some on our 390 put that pushed out till 20 January, $68 per contract there. Left two more contracts for continuation, hoping we get that slide. And we decided to secure profits full all out on And we decided to close out completely on Best Buy at $42 per contract. We went ahead and closed out on Love. Our stop loss was hit. That was a good trade, $28 per contract. And Johnson & Johnson, we swung this over the weekend. We went ahead and got a fantastic trade, $85 per contract, and we were out walking to the bank, guys. All in all, we took $506 profit. Now, mind you, this, of course, is assuming that you took one trade per alert near my entry or exit point. Multiple contracts or trades equal more money, guys. $100 to $1,000 per day is possible with Traders War Room. I say what I mean, and I mean what I say, guys, and I lead by example. With so many ways to win, quit wasting money that's not making money. What's hot and what's not? Here's your major indexes, and are you guys noticing a trend? I can tell you one thing, the only green index was the VIX, and you guys already know runs inverse to the SPY. So regardless whether that's green or not, you know that the market was dump city today, guys. So here's your calls versus put flow. Definitely seen more bearish. If you notice, this chart kind of will be misguided as you're seeing the green in millions and the red in billions. Make sure you're paying attention to the M or the B. The billions are definitely winning this, and so we're looking for some continued downward pressure, and we'll see once we hit bottom if we consolidate out of it to the upside or if we consolidate for another leg down. Here's some unusual option activity, and what we like about unusual option activity is that at times it can be a catalyst for a dramatic move either one way or the other way. So we look at these, we try to find where the big money's going, and we see where the big money is being landed, and then we wait for the signals when that bell rings, and we try to follow the trend. And here are your top trending stocks. Guys, what we like about the top trending stocks is these give us ideas of what other people are looking at to get into trades, and then hopefully that can serve as some volume towards moving price action so that we can get a nice dramatic shift on volatility one way or the other and make some decent money. Stocks I like for trades. Trying things a little differently. I'm doing dual charts here. We got at the top Johnson & Johnson, on the bottom Starbucks. Johnson & Johnson looks like we have a little bit more to go to the downside. However, be careful with Johnson & Johnson. It's a Dow stock. And what Dow stocks typically like to do is after they sell off significantly, we're looking at 1.5%, it likes to find a level of support and reject the bottom a little bit and come back up. So we're looking for some continuation, but being cautious on the reversal. Starbucks, we're consolidating right now. I don't like this trade inside of consolidation. I either want the break to the upside or to break to the downside before we look for a trade. Apple, looking like we want to come back down and retrack a little bit. Apple could potentially moved, $1 to $2 to the downside, which is a significant move in Apple and can make us some decent money. And Bank of America looks like we want to go retest some of those lower levels. So I look for Bank of America to probably retrace to the downside. With Bank of America, you get about maybe 50 cents to $1.50 move on the underlying. So we'll be looking for some of that pressure. And finally, Roku and Tesla. I think Roku has the best opportunity for some downside pressure. I think realistically, we could even see $45 coming off of this huge kind of V-shaped recovery from the bottom and on a cool down period. So I'll be looking for the downward pressure, which could push us significantly and make a move about $5 to the downside. Tesla, I'm looking for a little cool down period. We went up, we tested those higher recent levels, we rejected those higher recent levels, and I think we're due for a little cool down period. I'm looking for the push back down to about 125, maybe 120 with some follow through before we find support and reject to the upside. Upcoming TWR classes. Our next class kicks off on 22 January at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time. $15 gets you a seat and you get to keep the recording. We are going to teach you how to scalp the market utilizing basic indicators. I have the 7-figure mentor coming in that is going to teach you his secrets, that he's amassed a fortune over 30 years of trading in the stock market. Guys, this is a no-nonsense, straight to the point, just day trader's dream type of class. If this is something that you're into and you really want to dedicate time to learning how to become consistently profitable, then this class is for you. All you got to do is go to that link right there, register for the class, pay, and then check your email. Make sure you check that junk and spam folder, please, because sometimes it gets routed to that area, and I want to make sure that everybody who pays for the class receives their seat and gets into the class. So definitely plan for battle with TWR classes, and as always, make that market bend that knee in 2023. I'll see you there. That's it, team. Don't forget, make the market bend the knee in 2023. Join TWR and bow to no one. The link is in the description or on the website at traderswarroom.com. Let's go to war.
I'm on it. Hey, you know I'm on that though, man. Y'all, come join it. In the traders war room, warring with the market every day we on Zoom. Never gonna quit, ain't no way we gonna lose.